This is the 2027 Mercedes-AMG GLC 53 Coupe, and this is the car we all have been waiting for. The six-cylinder finally arrived in the GLC and will in the C-Class as well. But in this video we'll go ahead and check out the new GLC 53, the new mid-size SUV, which now has the six-cylinder, the latest and greatest version of it, with amazing sound, which we'll listen to as well, so stay tuned for that. This one is the special version with the golden accent package, and this package is absolutely stunning, I have to tell you this, and we will take a closer look at all the details which make this beautiful golden accent package the car which you really want to have. So this one is finished in the obsidian black metallic, and it has the AMG Design Package Plus. It has exterior package AMG Night Package and Night Package 2 as well, and these gorgeous Y-shaped wheels, and these are with golden accent on the perimeter and also on the inside, with black AMG calipers with white lettering, pilot sport for SUV, and check out the AMG logos, and this detail is absolutely stunning. With the Night Package 2 or Extended Night Package, all the badges are in dark chrome, so they are darkened, but not black, dark chrome, so just enough. And also the grille is darkened, and AMG logo is only thing which is in chrome. Also one thing is in chrome, dark chrome, which I will show you as well. On the surrounding, as you can see, everything is darkened, and also we have this nice AMG logo, and this is on the rear doors. It has a black matte finish and also gold accent to it. The rear wheels are wider for better traction, so that's great as well, 295/35, and these are ZR21, so wider. And check out this coupe silhouette. It looks absolutely stunning. Also the SUV version is available, of course, so let me know which one is your favorite, the SUV or the coupe. The coupe is more stylish one and the SUV is more practical, but even the coupe is enough practical in my opinion. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. So this is the rear view with this really gorgeous spoiler, this small lip we can say, and 4 rounded exhaust pipes. And everything looks so brutal from the back as well. Also it is really similar to the GLC 43 as well. So the AMG is now on the left side with dark chrome, and on the right side we'll have the GLC 53. So this is the new model, and it is replacing the 43, and we will see what will happen with the 63. So these are the oval quad pipes, and just a stunning obsidian black metallic. Looks absolutely stunning. This is the lip. It's quite a large one, so it is distinctive, and it just works so well. So this is the boot. As you can see, it's on the smaller side comparison with the SUV, but nonetheless to me this is fine, and it is a nice family car which many people will love. So let me know your choice, the SUV or the coupe. Of course SUV is less expensive and more practical, so it's a sort of a winner we can say, but this one is more practical. Also with the tow bar you can tow bikes, cargo box, bunch of stuff, trailer, anything what you want. And this is of course power operated, the tailgate. And yeah, so beautiful. I really love this edition, and it looks really gorgeous in my opinion. Check out the door handles, they are also with dark chrome. And now we will go ahead and check out the engine space, which is hiding something what we have been waiting for so many years. So 3, 2, 1, and here we have this beautiful 6-cylinder. This is the latest Evo version of it, and as you can see it looks really gorgeous, but what is even better is the sound, which we'll listen shortly. And this one is powered by the 3.0 liter 6-cylinder, 449 horsepower and 23 horsepower from the mild hybrid, 600 Newton meters. The engine is paired to AMG SpeedShift TCT 9G, so 9 gears, and this is the latest emission version. Of course, the acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour takes only 4.2 seconds. And later I will also drive this car and I will tell you the exact GPS number of the acceleration. The top speed is limited to 250 km per hour, 155 miles per hour, and this is a 4-wheel drive. This car also has a drift mode as a first SUV in the AMG lineup. Now let's go ahead and listen to the revs of this new Evo version of the 6-cylinder. So as you could hear, this exhaust is newly developed exhaust and it has so much loudness, is absolutely fantastic. Also on the hood, check out the AMG Darken Falterbach badge. Looks absolutely stunning as well. And now it's time to check out the interior, where you can find a lot of beautiful details. So this car is finished in this golden accent package with black leather and also this sort of light gold, or we can say slash champagne color top stitching. Also this darken AMG door sills illuminated and beautiful stitching also in the footwell area. In terms of the upholstery, here we have the black leather, but check out these inserts in this sort of cream slash gold color. Really looking amazing. We have also panoramic sunroof and these beautiful seats. Absolutely love these seats. The design and stitching and all these panels also in the middle, these microfibers, small details and so nicely shaped. Absolutely love these seats. And also this cockpit is so beautiful because you can see a lot of dash which is in carbon fiber in the interior. And check out how gorgeous is this cockpit. I absolutely adore how this one is looking actually in comparison with other interiors which are more screen oriented. This one has really beautiful dashboard and two distinctive displays. Also AMG logo on the center panel, adjustable cup holders, USB-C ports illuminated in the middle console. And you have so many things which you have in this vehicle. It also updated infotainment system with the latest icons in the MBUX system. So this is fast operating as well. Let me know how do you like this one. We have performance, many things, IWC, animation, the Schaffhausen watch. And many people still love this design with one portrait screen in the middle, like the SL or GT, and then also the driver screen. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. We have beautiful pedal shifters and also AMG driving modes. Currently I don't have the keys to this vehicle, so I cannot show you everything, but in the full in-depth review I will show you more details of the infotainment system as well. So stay tuned for that. But in this video I wanted to show you this car as soon as possible because this one is absolutely something what we cannot wait to have. So this 6-cylinder is something what many AMG fans were hoping for and waiting for. So now it's here, and also it will come to the C-Class. So there will be a C53. It was confirmed by the AMG CEO. So this is already what we know. So you can look forward to the C-Class with this engine as well. In the middle armrest we have the USB-C port illuminated, and it's quite a deep one. Storage space is really generous, and in the glove compartment you have additional space, so you can see there as well. In terms of the fit and finish, there was nothing squeaking in the vehicle, so that's really great, and Nappa leather on the steering wheel. In terms of the steering wheel, here we have still this capacitive steering wheel, so not the physical buttons, but if you have a 6-cylinder, that's the main thing what we want, of course. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. In the doors we have the ventilated seats, heated seats, memory seats, everything is electronic and maximum luxury for the GLC 53. In my opinion, this golden package, golden accent package, is really something what I would go for, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. So yeah, let's go ahead and check out now the rear section of the vehicle, practicality and everything. And this one has actually, here is a close-up of these dark chrome door handles. This is something what many people were waiting for. Now it's finally in the lineup. So the door cards have a generous space for water bottle and bunch of stuff as well. And you can see here gold stitching in the footwell area as well. So now let's hop inside and check out the practicality, the knee area and also the headroom. Alright, so in the rear area we have practical things, which are the anchor points, and you can see for the ISOFIX. So this car can have 2 seats, and of course in the middle we have the armrest with extendable cup holders and space for a tablet or smartphone, sort of hidden one, and it's wide enough for 2 arms. In the middle we have 2 air vents and control panel for the AC as well. I can put my feet under the seat as well, and there is really generous space, about 8 to 10 centimeters, so about 3-4 inches easily with my height. And I'm 184 centimeters or 6 feet and almost 1 inch. In terms of the headroom, I have about 5 centimeters 2 inches of headroom, so that's enough for this coupe shape. But of course in the SUV you will have much more space. So let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below, and which one would you go for, the SUV or the coupe? Let me know down below.